Some shocking news now. A 26-year-old woman and her 8-month-old child were killed on Sunday afternoon when a speeding truck hit the bike on which they were sitting, Pillion, in Jaipur's Ghat Ki Kunj tunnel. Now, while the two-wheeler entry in this tunnel is banned, the norm is flouted, and then, of course, there were injuries which took place after the two of them were killed. And what really compounds the horror of this accident is the fact that after it took place, people just passed by an injured man lying on the road without even stopping to help.
देखिए, मैं सोचती हूँ कि टनल अभी नई बनी है और टनल में सीसीटीवी कैमरास लगे हुए हैं और जो सीसीटीवी कैमरास के रूम में बैठते हैं उनका फर्ज बनता था कि वो तुरंत वहां जाते, पुलिस को अलग इन्फॉर्म करते, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने मैसेजेस फॉरवर्ड किए आगे कि जो ट्रक वाला है उसको पकड़ो। जिनकी जान पे बनाई थी उनको देखने वो लोग नहीं गए, उन्होंने उनके लिए कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की और 1.5 घंटा जो पड़े रहे। मैं सोचती हूँ कि हो सकता है कि 15-20 मिनट उस महिला और उस बच्ची में जान हो, अगर उसको ठीक से देखा जाता और टाइमली मेडिकल एड मिल जाती तो मैं सोचती हूँ कि हो सकता है वो जिंदा रह जाते।
And these images that you're seeing on your screen right now really showing the horror of how tragic this accident and the apathy which came in its wake really are. Let's go over to Harsha Kumari Singh, who joins us on the phone line for more on this story. Harsha, we heard Mamta Sharma there say that there were CCTV cameras put up. This is a new but a fairly busy tunnel. That it is shocking that lives could have been saved if just human action had taken place.
Absolutely. Firstly, the way people just drove past those accident victims is absolutely shocking. And what is also shocking is the way, the total breakdown of the machinery which is supposed to support this. Now, you know that RRIL is supposed to be looking after the tunnel. They're the ones who are looking at the CCTV footage, so they did nothing to help. There is a PCR, there is a van which is often placed at the entry of the tunnel because it's supposed to be monitoring who's going in and out. So whether that van was close by or not, the point is this is the main road which leads towards Agra also. So there is police presence there. Now even they did not reach in time to help. So it just shows how on all fronts, whether it's society, whether it's the police, or it's people responsible for the maintenance of the tunnel, nobody did anything. I mean, it's really callousness at its extreme. And the ones who were supposed to help also did not help. And the normal passerby has become so desensitized that he just did not absolutely stop to do anything.
Harsha, there is absolutely nothing we can do about the attitude of these terribly callous passerbys, but action can be taken against those who are supposed to do things. People who are monitoring the CCTV footage, the police control van which was supposed to be nearby, can and will action be taken against them?
Well, it seems like something definitely is going to happen because we don't have official confirmation of that as yet. But, you know, this kind of footage and the way it's been played out in the media today, it has definitely, the message has reached the establishment. And I think if they have a conscience, they will take action.
Right. Also, do we have any update on the condition of the man and his son? We, of course, tragically are aware that the lady and the little girl passed away.
Absolutely. The son and the husband actually escaped with minor injuries. They were not seriously injured, but they are in complete shock. One from what the accident that they went to, and I think the other from just the trauma of being on the road. So they are being treated in the hospital right now, and the family is actually in a state of shock.
Of course. Thank you so much, Harsha, for joining us with that report. Harsha Kumari Singh there reporting on that shocking story that we are bringing you from Jaipur, where after an accident which took place in this tunnel, not just did the authorities not do anything to come and help these people as they were bleeding on the streets, but not a single car stopped to try and help them.